Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Those who have not given the attendance
Good
in the
morning, sir.
WhatsApp group, they can give their attendance in the WhatsApp group. Those who have not given, please give your attendance in the WhatsApp group. Okay, all of you, we have started the new chapter, which is exponents, and we were doing the laws of exponents.
Sir, we have done two laws.
Yes, I have explained you two laws. You have written it in your copy. Okay, next law.
Sir, can you tell it again? Sir, I was absent yesterday in your class.
Beta, can you see the recording of yesterday's class?
Okay, sir, I will
Okay.
see it.
I'm writing the laws. Okay, but still you see yesterday's class. Okay, I will be writing the laws here. The laws of exponents we are doing. We have written two laws of exponents. The first one is Hamad. You can write down these laws. Two laws. A to the power m plus a to the power n. Sorry, multiplied by a to the power n.
तो ये कल वाले लॉस लिखवा रहे हैं.
Yes, कल वाले पहले मैं लिखवा रहा हूँ. Then I will give you the third one. Is equal to a to the power m plus n. This was the first one. Second one was a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus. ऐसे केस में power subtract हो जाएंगे. Okay. When the bases are same and there is division in between, we are dividing the two numbers, then the powers will be subtracted. And if the two numbers are in multiply, base are same, then the powers will be added. So let's do the third one. Third law of exponent. Yes, please note this down. Yeah, third be. मैंने कल I told you yesterday two laws or only I'm sorry, three laws or only two laws yesterday? Three or two?
Two law.
Two laws. So this is the third one. A to the power 0 is equal to 1. A to the power
सर
0
बता दिया था 3 लॉ बताए थे सर आपने.
This
ये
is the
ये वाला
third.
ही बता दिया था.
Sir, three laws.
Three laws. Any number.
Sir, three laws.
Yes, three laws मैंने कल बता दिए थे. Any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. कोई भी number हो. For example, 525. इसकी power 0 है अगर. 525 power 0. This is equal to 1. आप इसको क्या लिखेंगे? 1 लिख देंगे.
Sir, what's the chapter number?
Chapter number 5. Then fourth one. Fourth one is a to the power minus m, अगर किसी नंबर की पावर माइनस m होगी, नेगेटिव पावर होगी, प्लीज कीप योर वीडियोस ऑन एवरीवन, कीप योर वीडियोस ऑन. Have you all given your attendance in the WhatsApp group?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So any number raised to the power is negative. Whenever the power is negative, what you can do? You can do the reciprocal of the base. Base यहाँ पर क्या है? A. A का reciprocal 1 upon A. Do the reciprocal of the base and convert the power into positive. उसके बाद पावर को पॉजिटिव कर देंगे. बेस को रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे, पावर को पॉजिटिव. अंडरस्टूड?
Sir,
तो
not
कैसे सर पावर
properly.
को कैसे पॉजिटिव सर कैसे करेंगे सर?
Sir, I can't understand properly.
सर मतलब सर ये नंबर लिखने हैं सर,
I
सर वो
will give
खुद हो
you
जाएगी सर.
I will give you an example. Suppose if it is written like 5 to the power minus 2. If it is like this, 5 to the power minus 2, the power is negative. So what you can do? You can do the reciprocal of the base. 5. 5 is the base. 5 का reciprocal क्या होता है? 1 upon 5. And power को क्या कर देंगे? Positive कर देंगे. 2 की minus 2 की जगह क्या कर देंगे? Plus 2. Okay. One more example. See, if it
Okay.
is 3 upon 4 whole to the power minus 7, अगर ऐसे लिखा है 3 upon 4 whole to the power minus 7, what is the reciprocal of 3 upon 4?
4 upon 3.
4 upon 3.
4 upon 3 reciprocal कर लिया and convert the power to positive. Understood? Power को positive कर देंगे, minus 7 की जगह 7 कर देंगे. Clear? Fourth law is clear?
Yes, sir, now clear.
Very good. Let's do the fifth one. Fifth law. This is a to the power m into b to the power m. Look at the difference in the first and the fifth law. दोनों के बीच में difference देखिए.
A
A to
और
the
B.
power
The
m.
number is not same, it means.
That means the base are not same, but the powers are same. First law में देखो. First law में क्या था? The base was same, powers were different. है ना? In the fifth law, the base are different, but the powers are same. Understood the difference between the first and fifth law? बेसिस अलग अलग हैं, तो हम ऐसे केस में क्या लिखेंगे? ए बी को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, ए एंड बी को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे एंड होल में पावर लगा देंगे m. क्लियर? फॉर एग्जांपल, if it is written like 3 to the power 7 into 4 to the power 7, ऐसा लिखा है, मान लो 3 की पावर 7 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 4
सर वो we will sir multiply sir.
so 7
12
दोनों
upon
जगह.
power 7.
Yes, very good, excellent. So power is same in both the numbers. So this will become 3 into 4 whole to the power 7.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, that is equal
Sir,
to 12 to the power 7. 3 into 4 कितना हो गया? 12. So 12 की power 7. Yes.
sir, there is some network problem in my area, so I am leaving the meeting. So please rejoin me.
Okay. 3 to the power 7 into 4 to the power 7 is equal to 3 into 4. पहले multiply कर लेंगे and whole में power 7 लगाएंगे. So 3 into 4 is 12. 12 की power 7 हो जाएगा. Clear? Another example. Do you want another example?
Yes.
2 upon 5
No sir, under.
to the power 2 multiplied by 3 upon 7 whole to the power 2. ऐसा है मान लो. The base is different, power is same. Bases are different, power is same. So you can multiply the bases. 2 upon 5 multiplied by 3 upon 7 whole to the power 2. Now what is 2 into 3? 6. 5 into 7? 35. So 6 upon 35 to the power 2. Clear? How to use the law?
Yes, sir.
We will be using these
Yes, sir.
laws when we will be doing the questions of the exercises. जब हम exercise के question करेंगे, we will be using these laws. Okay? Again and again, they will be used in every question. So it is very important to understand the laws and understand how to use them. Okay, sixth one. A to the power m divided by b to the power m. Look at the difference between the second and the sixth law. Second और sixth law को compare करो. In the second law, again दोनों
सर
divide तो है दोनों
सर
जगह.
6th लॉ में सर बेस अलग है सर।
हाँ.
वो
In
सर
the
6th लॉ में बेस अलग है।
yes, in the second law the base is same. Second वाले में base is same, power is different. In the sixth law, sixth वाला देखो, base are different but the power is same. उल्टा है उसका. So here what you have to do, you will divide the bases. A को B से divide कर देंगे and whole में power m लगा देंगे. A divided by B whole to the power m. Understood? This is sixth law. I hope you all are noting it down, noting down the laws in your copies. Are you all
Yes,
noting down the laws? And please keep your videos on, everyone. Last one. What if there are two powers on a number? A to the power m, A to the power m, whole to the power n, A to the power m, whole to the power n, दो power हो गए m and n. A to the power m, whole to the power n, two powers are there. So this can be written as A to the power m into n. Powers यहाँ पर multiply हो जाएंगे. Let us see the example. Suppose it is 5 to the power 3 whole to the power 2. दो बार power लगी है. पहले 5 की power 3 है, whole की power 2 है. So what you can do? You can do 5 to the power 3 into 2. Powers multiply.
yes sir।
So this is
So
5 to
6
the power 6.
power 6।
Yes, absolutely correct. Understood?
Yes sir।
Very good. So these are the 7 laws of exponents. यही है 7 laws. Okay. So you have to revise these
Yes,
laws
sir.
again and again, and if you suppose understand the laws clearly and you have learned them, then it will be very easy. The exercises will be very, very easy. Okay. Ishu Gautam, Utkarsh Sharma, Athar, please keep your videos on. Okay, if I ask you this one, who will tell me? चलो सुशांत बताएंगे. 2/3 Sushant, use this law. 2/3 whole to the power 5 whole to the power 4. So this is equal to what?
Sir, can I tell?
Wait. Sushant, can you tell?
Sir, 2/3 into 5 into 4.
2/3 to the power 5 into 4.
2/3 5 into 4.
Sir,
Sir,
can I tell?
2/3
To the power
raised
5.
to the power 5
2/3
into
to the power 5 into 4.
Very good. And 5
2
into
upon
4 is
3,
equal to
20. 2 upon 3 power
20.
20.
2 upon 3 to the power 20. Very good. Okay, Ayushi will tell. Next one. Ayushi. 1 upon 5 to the power 3 whole to the power again 3 minus 3. Ayushi, this is 1 upon 5 to the power 3 whole to the power minus 3. So what is this equal to?
1 upon 5.
Yes, Ayushi, you can tell. Same method. Use the same.
5 minus 9.
Very good. 1 upon 5 to the power minus 9. 1 upon 5 whole to the power minus 9. Can I use law number 4 in this now? क्या मैं law number 4 इस यहाँ पर use कर सकता हूँ? Look at law number 4. Can we use
Yes,
it?
sir.
Yes. Law number 4 क्या कहता है? Power negative है power negative.
Yeah.
तो क्या कह रहा है? वो कह
Yes,
रहा है
sir,
कि
आप वो भी कर पॉजिटिव भी कर सकते हैं.
बेस को रेसिप्रोकल कर दो. लॉ नंबर 4 क्या कहता है? पावर अगर नेगेटिव है तो बेस को रेसिप्रोकल कर दो एंड पावर को
तो
पॉजिटिव कर
सर
दो.
5 upon 1 सर और
हाँ.
आंसर 9.
वेरी गुड, करेक्ट. सो 1 अपॉन 5 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा? 5.
5
पावर
upon
क्या
1.
बन जाएगी? 9.
9.
इज इट क्लियर? 5 1 अपॉन 5 का
Sir, 9
रेसिप्रोकल
upon
5.
the power of 5.
नहीं, 9 की पावर 5 नहीं, 5 की पावर में.
Sir, I
9
was
की
saying
पावर
upon.
नहीं, 9 अपॉन 1 की पावर 5 थोड़ी होगा, 5 की पावर 9 होगा. पावर में 9 आएगा, पावर में 5 नहीं आएगा. पावर विल रिमेन सेम, 9 ही
Sir, I
रहेगी.
was saying that.
हाँ. सो 1 अपॉन 5 का रेसिप्रोकल 5 हो गया एंड पावर हमने -9 की जगह 9 कर दी. ओके, क्लियर? लेट्स.
यस सर.
ओके, मैं और क्वेश्चन दूं, आप लोग ऐसे ही बता देंगे.
या तुम सर हम
Yes.
सर एक क्वेश्चन में सर हम 2 से ज्यादा या 2 लॉस सर हम यूज कर सकते हैं.
Yes, exactly. We can use any number of laws in the same question. Okay,
ओके सर.
चलो भाई.
So can I tell?
Just wait. For example, if it is like this, 3 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 to the power 5 whole to the power -2. So what is this equal to? Three to the power 4 into 3 to the power 5 whole to the power -2. चलो मैं हिंट देता हूँ. First, use
Sir.
the first law. Use the first law. चलो बताओ. Kunjal, can you tell Kunjal?
सर
First law. अरे Sky,
Yes,
just wait. Sky, एक मिनट रुको. I will ask you. Just wait. Kunjal, can you use the first law in this? Use करके मुझे बताओ क्या आएगा. First law.
Yes, sir.
हाँ जी. Tell.
Okay, sir. Sir, the answer will be a power and then power m power sir 3 and power 4 plus 5
हाँ.
and whole -2.
वेरी गुड. 3 to the power 4 plus 5 because बेस सेम है, बीच में मल्टीप्लाई लगा है. बेस सेम है, देखो दोनों जगह 3 है बेस, बीच में
तो
मल्टीप्लाई है.
सर
सो
वही
वी कैन
base
यूज द
है.
फर्स्ट लॉ. सो 4 plus 5 पावर ऐड हो गई, 9 हो गया. ऐड करके मैंने 9 लिख दिया एंड होल टू द पावर क्या है?
-2 बचा सर.
-2.
अब सर
पावर
उसे सर
-2.
मल्टीप्लाई.
हाँ, स्काई अब बताओ क्या करेंगे?
सर अब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे सर 9 को
पावर्स
-2
को
से.
9 into -2. सो 3 की पावर क्या हो गया? -18. 9 into -2 is equal to
सर रेसिप्रोकल करके
-18.
सर
चलो
सर
ईशु आगे क्या
रेसिप्रोकल
करेंगे?
करके सर
ईशु 3 की पावर -18, इसके बाद क्या करें?
सर मेरा टेल
दक्ष गंगवार
सर रेसिप्रोकल करके सर उसको सर पॉजिटिव बना देंगे पावर को।
3 to the power -18, कैन यू टेल दक्ष गंगवार इसका आगे क्या करेंगे? आज दक्ष बोल नहीं रहे हैं, नाराज हैं, क्या हो गया? क्या है बेटा, दक्ष बोलोगे नहीं आज? यस दक्ष, टेल मी 3 to the power -18. What happened, Daksh?
सर मेरा टेल
हाँ यस टेल.
3 पावर 18
3 की पावर 18 रेसिप्रोकल कहाँ किया तुमने?
तो रेसिप्रोकल करके सर उसे सर लिख के सर कर देंगे।
सो चलो आयुषी 3 to the power -18 क्या करेंगे आप? आयुषी 3 to the power -18.
सर
Power
रेसिप्रोकल करके सर उसे
पावर
तो
नेगेटिव है. आयुषी आर यू लिसनिंग?
पॉजिटिव बन जाएगी सर।
Yes, sir.
हाँ सो पावर इज नेगेटिव. आयुषी क्या करेंगे आप? पॉजिटिव करने के लिए क्या करते हैं पावर? रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द बेस.
Reciprocal.
3 का रेसिप्रोकल
sir.
1/3. रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 3
3
1/3. पावर इज नाउ
पावर 18
पॉजिटिव. होल टू द पावर 18. पावर नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव हो गई. क्लियर? So you can see we have used in the same question we have used 3 laws. 3 लॉ यूज हुए हैं. कौन कौन से? फर्स्ट लॉ यूज हुआ, सबसे पहले फर्स्ट लॉ यूज हुआ. कहाँ पे यूज हुआ? यहाँ पर देखिए फर्स्ट लॉ. पावर्स को ऐड कर दिया, बेस सेम था, पावर्स ऐड कर दी. देन लॉ नंबर 7, यहाँ पे लॉ 7 यूज किया. पावर्स मल्टीप्लाई हो गए. देखिए 9 into -2 पावर्स मल्टीप्लाई. So that is 3 to the power -18. And then we have used fourth law.
4
फोर्थ लॉ, ये पावर नेगेटिव थी, उसको पॉजिटिव करने के लिए बेस का रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे. अंडरस्टूड? सो वी हैव यूज्ड 3 laws in the same question. So we can use as many laws as we want in the same question. According to the question, obviously we will proceed. Okay. Then let's start with the exercise. I hope you all are clear with the laws. The laws are clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Let us start the exercise. Very easy questions. Starting, some questions are very easy. Okay, so first question, we just have to write it in power notation. That means in exponential form. Question number 1, first part, 5/7 into 5/7 into 5/7 into 5/7. तो कितनी बार लिखा है 5/7? 4
सर
times.
द आंसर इज 5/7 पावर 4
Yes, so इसको पावर नोटेशन में लिखना है. That means you have to write it like this: 5/7 whole to the power 4. Because 4 times multiply कर रहे हैं, so this is 4 times 5 को multiply 5/7 को multiply कर रहे हैं, so 5/7 whole to the power 4. Okay, चलो second one, -4/3 into -4/3. You can use the brackets also. Into -4/3 into -4/3. कितनी बार है? 5 times. Into -4/3.
5 पावर
तो
पावर
आंसर
5
सर द आंसर इज माइनस का
-4/3
पावर 5
पावर 5
power 5. Okay, very good. Can you tell the answer of the third one?
-1/6 power 3.
Correct. -1/6 whole to the power 3. Daksh Gangwar, can you tell the answer of fourth one? Daksh Gangwar. Aditya Pathak, can you tell the answer of the fourth
Sir,
part?
-8 power
अरे
5.
अरे 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 स्काई शर्मा, मैंने आपसे नहीं पूछा है. यस, आदित्य पाठक.
-8 is to the power 5.
Very good, excellent. -8 raised to the power 5. Okay, very good. चलिए, let's start with the second question. Again, we have to write these numbers in power notation. Have you all done this?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Very good. I hope you all have done the second and third and fourth part also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question number 2. First part. 25/36 is the number. 25/36. So we have to write this number in power notation. Okay, we have to write this number in power notation. So how to do this? We will do the factors of the numerator and denominator. 25 के factors क्या होते हैं? You divide it by 5. 5 by 1. Prime factors कर लिए. Now do the prime factors of 36 also. 2, 18, again divide by 2, 9, now by 3, 3, 1. Prime factors कर लेते हैं. 5 into 5. Now you write it in this form. We have done the prime factors of both the numbers, numerator and denominator दोनों का कर लिया. बेटा please you all don't write it. First you understand. I will give you time to note down. Don't start writing. So prime factors of 25, 5 into 5. Now 36 prime factors of 36, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. ठीक है? Any problem in this till now? बेटा सुशांत अभी मत लिखो.
No, sir.
No, sir.
I will give you time to note down. Don't write. 5 to the power 2. Can we write 5 into 5 as 5 to the power 2?
Yes, sir.
2 to the
Yes,
power
sir.
2 into 3 to the power 2. सबकी power 2 है.
Yes, sir.
So we can write this as 5
अभी
upon
चला गया सर. Power 2 है.
5 upon, yes, 5 upon 2 into 3 whole to the power 2. सबकी एक साथ power 2 लगा सकते हैं whole में bracket के ऊपर, because सबकी power 2 है सारे numbers की. 5 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2. So we can write it as 5 upon 2 into 3 whole to the power 2. Now 2 into 3 multiply कर लो. So 5 upon 6 whole to the power 2. This is the answer. Yes, Daksh Gangwar. Do you have a doubt? Your mic. Is there any problem with the mic today? You can send
Sir,
your doubt in the chat box. हाँ. आज बोलोगे नहीं दक्ष क्या हुआ? आज तुमने माइक ऑन कराया? Yes.
Sir, I want to ask, is the powers are separate? So the answer is in what form? Which form?
Sorry, if the powers are Different?
Yes, sir. So the answer is in which power?
We cannot note. Suppose if the numerator and denominator in this case the powers are different, then we cannot write the number in power notation form. तब हम उसको नहीं लिख सकते. Okay. Only if the powers are same, then we can write it in power notation. Clear, all of you? First part of question 2. So till now we have not
Yes,
used.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, second part. Done. This question 2 first part, all of you done? Noted in the copy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Sir, please wait for 2 minutes.
Sir, my copy got finished.
Okay.
Sir, I'm bringing.
Okay, second part of question 2. Minus 27 upon 64. So first of all, do the factors of 27. 3, 9, again by 3, 3, again by 3, 1. Now the factors of 64. 64, 4 से कर लेते हैं. So when you divide 64 by 4, you get 16.
Sir,
Again
please
by
wait.
4, you
Yes,
get
sir.
4. Again by 4, you get 1. Okay, now minus 27. What is minus 27? Minus 27 is equal to minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. 64 is 4 into 4 into 4. Okay, लिख लिया. So this is minus 3 to the power 3 upon 4 to the power 3. We can write this as minus 3 upon 4 whole to the power 3. क्लियर है? बहुत इजी है. माइनस 3 की पावर 3 हो गया, और 4 की पावर भी 3 हो गया. सो वी कैन राइट दिस एज minus 3 upon 4 whole to the power 3. Is it clear?
Yes.
So I want you all to do the third part on your own in homework. Homework में करना है third part.
Okay.
Sir, third part is our homework.
Yes, beta, third part is your homework. Third and fourth, both the parts. Okay, let us start with question number 3. Question 3. First part. 2 upon 5 whole to the power. Sorry, 2 upon 3 whole to the power 5. 2/3 whole to the power 5. So इसको we have to write in the form of rational number. That means expanded form में लिखना है. So 2 को 5 times multiply करो. This is 2/3 multiplied by 2/3 multiplied by 2/3 again multiplied by 2/3 again multiplied by 2/3. So 5 times we have to multiply this. 2 को 5 times multiply करेंगे क्या मिलेगा 32. 3 को 5 times multiply करके 243. This is the answer. बस multiply करना है. 2 को 5 times multiply करो. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 32 and 3 multiplied 5 times is equal to 243. Okay. Very easy.